2026 Lexus GX is here, and it's not just a luxury SUV, it's a bold statement of power, refinement, and capability. Lexus has completely redesigned this beast for 2026, and it's turning heads everywhere. From its aggressive new front grille to the sleeker LED headlights, this SUV blends modern luxury with rugged off-road performance like never before. Under the hood, the 2026 GX now comes with a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing an impressive 349 horsepower. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and full-time four-wheel drive, this SUV is ready to dominate highways and trails alike. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling a mountain pass, the GX delivers smooth, confident power every time. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that screams luxury. The interior features high-end leather, real wood trim, and a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And for audiophiles, the Mark Levinson sound system transforms every drive into a concert on wheels. The 2026 GX is also smarter than ever, packed with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a new off-road camera system that gives you a clear view of the terrain ahead. For families, there's plenty of room too. With 3-row seating and improved cargo space, it's as practical as it is premium. But here's the real surprise. Lexus is also introducing the Overtrail trim, a more off-road focused version of the GX. It comes with 33-inch all-terrain tires, a locking rear differential, and advanced off-road suspension. If you're someone who loves adventure without compromising comfort, this version is made for you. In a world of luxury SUVs, the 2026 Lexus GX stands tall. It's no longer just a capable off-roader, it's a full-blown luxury machine that refuses to back down from any challenge. If you want an SUV that blends brute strength with refined elegance, the new GX might just be your next dream car.